Good morning, students. Welcome to class 8 mathematics, chapter 2 exponents, part 5. This is exercise 2.3 of chapter 2 exponents. In this chapter or in this exercise, we are going to discuss about the use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. First of all, I would like to tell you about what is standard form. So look here. A number in the form of k is equals to k into 10 raised to power m, where k is greater than equals to 1 but less than 10, and m is an integer. Is said to in the standard form. This is the definition of standard form. A number in the form k into 10 raised to power m, where k is greater than equals to 1 but less than 10, and m is an integer, said to be in the standard form. Example, we can see here that 2.3 into 10 raised to the power 5. This is the standard form. Another standard form example is 1.23 into 10 raised to the power 4. It may be, but it cannot be 0.34 whatever into 10 raised to the power 2. This cannot be a standard form, because to make it a standard form, the first digit cannot be 0. It must be greater 1 or greater than 1. So it can be 5.1048, or it can be 5.0048 into 10 raised to the power 3, like this, etc. These all are standard form. Now I would like to do some questions based on this exercise, so that you will be able to understand the concept more clearly. Now look here, exercise 2.3, question first. First part of the first question. If it is 0. It is asked to express 0.000001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7. This in standard form. Solution: 0.00000007 can be written in this form: 7 upon, first of all, you will count the number of digits after which the decimal is placed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros after 1. That means 7 upon 10 raised to the power 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll express it in the standard form like this: 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 8, by the property, since 1 upon a raised to the power m is equals to a raised to the power minus m, by using this property. Now still it is not in proper standard form. Now 0.00000007 can be written as 7.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. You should pay attention here first thing, that there must be a decimal after one digit, and that is must be greater than or equals to 1, and after that decimal there must be some digit, that is it may be 0 or any number. So, and after that the 10 in 10 raised to the power minus 8, that is 10 raised to the power m, which must be an integer. So here minus 8 is the m here, and k is 7.0. This is the standard form of this question. So another question we can discuss regarding this is, suppose you are asked to express 3 in standard form. What we will do? We will write 3.0 first, then 3.0 into 10 raised to the power 0, because 10 raised to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. This means this is the standard form of 3. Next question. The next question is, express 0.0000003486 in standard form. So first of all we will write it here, 0.0000003486, like this. After that I will count the number of decimal places, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because we need to transfer this decimal to this place. For this we will count the number of digits which I have transferred the decimal to the right side. It is 3.486 upon, the decimal comes to here 3 after the digit 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit I have moved the decimal to 8 digits towards the right. So I will write 10 raised to the power 8 at the denominator. Now to bring this denominator at the numerator part, to write in the standard form, I will write 3.486 into 10 raised to the power minus 8, and this is the standard form of this. Now, the next question is second one, because the rest of the parts of question 1 are the same types. Now I will do the first part of the second question. This is asked to express 2.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 in usual form. So these are the usual form. This is the standard form. So I am going to convert this standard form in the usual form. Look at this. It is 2.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. Change this 10 raised to the power minus 7 into positive form. 2.1 upon 10 raised to the power 7. Now we know that it can be written as 2.1 upon 10 to the power 7 can be written as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we know that if we cut 1 0 here, the decimal place will move to the left side, one digit to the left side. And again, if I cut one more digit, one more 0 here, it will again move to the left one place, and so on. So what I will write here, instead of this I will write 2.1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will just move this decimal place after counting the number of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write 21 here, and after 2 I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 2, 1 digit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have counted 7 digits because there is 7 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 at the denominator. So from 2 here I am shifting the 0 to this place. Now it has become 0.00000021 is the answer. From here the decimal has moved to this part. 7 places. This is the answer of exercise 2.3, question 2, first part. The next question of next part of this question is I'm going to do is second part. So the next question is express 5.07 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 in usual form. First I will write this one here, then I will write 5.07 upon, change this minus 8 exponents into positive. So 10 raised to the power 8 has become exponents of 10 has become positive. Now what we'll do, 5.7, the decimal place of 5 point is transferred to the left side after 8 digit, that is 507. From here I'm going to shift it to the 8th place towards the left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 place. So I'm going to shift it here. This will move to here because at the denominator we are seeing that it is 10 raised to the power 8. The exponent of 10 is 8. So we'll move this decimal place to the 8th digit to 8th place towards the left. Now we got the usual form 0.0000000507. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 place. This is the standard form of 5.07 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. The next question of this exercise is going to be done in the next page. Students, next question is question number 3, first part. Here it is asked to express the numbers appearing in the following statement in the standard form. That is, average diameter of a red blood cells is, this is the first part, average diameter of a red blood cells is 0.000007 millimeter. Express it in standard form. So it's simple. Again we will do the same thing, 0.000007 millimeter. Write it over here. Then write it in this way. Move the decimal place from here to this place. That is, if you move this to this place, it will be 7.0 into 7.0 upon, not here, upon 10 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is it. 10 raised to the power 6. Now this can be written in this way, 7.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 millimeter. This is the answer. You can write that the average diameter of a red blood cell is 7.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 millimeter. Next question I'm going to do of question 3 is, let's do question number second part of this. Second part. This question is, the size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. Express it in standard form. इसे भी इसी तरह से करेंगे, 0.00001275 लिखिए. Then move this decimal place towards the right side till you reach one digit that is less than or greater than or equals to 1. So it will be moved towards this place, to this place. After the decimal will come to 1.275. So what we will write here, 1.275 upon 10 raised to the power, count the number of digits we have moved the decimal place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let 10 raised to power 5 meter. This is 1.275 into 10 raised to power 5 meter. Answer. Awesome. So students, this is the end of the chapter 2 exponents. I hope you have understand this. If you have any further doubts and queries, you can ask in the live classes. So we'll start the next chapter in the next video. Till then, only this much. Thank you.